Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Fame Frequency saw the ultimate transformation on Saturday night as organizers revealed a new look during its Cooler Fete edition. Partygoers were pleasantly surprised when they turned on for the event, and many took to social media to share their delight in the set design. Special projects marketer at the RJR Greener Communications Group, Nicario Williams, spoke on the success of the event.
Fame Frequency virtual party series has been growing phenomenally since inception. We currently reach over 2.7 million brand impressions on any given Saturday night.
Fame Frequency has been a staple on the airwaves since it started in March, and Nicardo added that Fame is answering the call for the virtual party to be a staple on the calendar when the ban on events is lifted.
That is something that we're taking into consideration because people are realizing again that Fame is the party station. People are realizing that RETV is the brand to watch for your entertainment. So we're just waiting on the right time and the safe time because, of course, our brands are about doing things responsibly.
Fame Frequency Cooler Fete featured Fame DJs Narity and Kevin.
Look at it. Excellent. DJ them going wicked. It was great. We had fun. The vibes are nice. I enjoyed it.
And guest DJs from Hits and Radio Jamaica, Scott Wilson and DJ Deli, respectively.
Let me tell you something, them draw me out of retirement, It's retirement, them draw me out there,
Awesome. Cooler Fete, we really come out to the cooler, the Fete. You know what I mean? All of the DJs them go and good, me enjoy myself. All of the viewers, all of the listeners. Thank you for coming out. We appreciate it.
The night also saw special guest dancers dance expression with the appearance from their leader Orville Hall. Fame Frequency pushes the envelope each week with creative themes and simply great music. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.